అండ్ అలానే ఈ సుశాంత్ సింగ్ రాజ్పూత్ గారి సూసైడ్ న్యూస్ విన్న తర్వాత, ఈ నెపోటిజం వీటన్నిటి గురించి విన్న తర్వాత మీ మైండ్లోకి వచ్చిన థింగ్స్ ఏంటి?
Yeah, I felt really sad because sad and mind is such a fragile thing, like of course when somebody sees or hears about Sushant Singh Rajput, of course he was doing big films, so somebody would be like, wow, how can this happen to him? He had everything, he had money, he had fame, and what is your heart seeking at that time, or what is that loneliness inside? Only he can answer that, only he would know. And it's really sad because I hope with that episode that's happened, things change, people become a little more sensitive to that. And at the same time, I'm saying to people, let's not cry about nepotism, let's take it on ourselves. Why are we crying about it? Let's not complain about it. Let's try to make ourselves much better in what we do, because out of those five people, you'll be denied once, twice, thrice. How many times will they deny you the opportunity? If you're good, somebody is going to notice you. That is I can tell you I can say from my own life experience. I can promise you that if you keep working, hard work doesn't go to waste. That is one thing. Your process will never go to waste. Your investment in your craft will never go to waste. You will be ready for that opportunity when it comes to you. And that is what I want to kind of tell aspiring actors or who are going through this phase, because I've lived it. I'm not reading it from a book. I'm telling you from my own life journey, and I cannot be more happy of the choices of films that I've done, because when I look back, maybe they're small, maybe they're very content driven cinema and they got a lot of recognition internationally, but because of the purity of the subject and because of the intention behind the craft, so you will get noticed. Otherwise, see, how did I land Bhanumati and Ramakrishna? So it all happens. It takes time, but it all happens, and it happens in the most beautiful way, and God kind of gives you more when you kind of wait it out patiently. Yeah.
Saloni gari celebrity crush evaru?
Celebrity crush, oh, so interesting. I mean, for me, because I'm quite kind of new here, so most of them are very interesting, and I can see that, like when I saw Arjun Reddy, I'm sure like everybody talks about Vijay Deverakonda. It's nothing new that I am saying, but I think what made people really like him was his performance, and because he was so realistic in what he did, so I like him for that. And then of course I really like how Allu Arjun dances and how he has this he's such a multi-talented, he's so enjoyable to watch. So I think most of the people in this field, like I whatever work I won't say they're my crushes, but I would love to work with them, and I would like to learn, and I would like to kind of, I'm fascinated by how they do all these things.
Okay.
Yeah.
So ishtamayna hero Tollywood lo favorite hero?
All these people that I mentioned to you, and yeah, I've seen their work, and I definitely have to see so much more. And yeah, so Mahesh Babu, I hear a lot about Mahesh Babu, and I've seen his work, and he's really fascinating as an actor, and so is Allu Arjun. I really like his I don't know, there's something very captivating about him on screen. And yeah, so I hope to kind of enjoy more of the cinema here and kind of have more of the list to give you next time.
And alane heroines lo evaru ishtam Tollywood nunchi?
I really like Samantha. I like her portrayals of character. I like that she's very serious about what she does, and I really like her choice of her approach to life. I like that. I like there's something very pleasing about her personality. I like that about her. Yeah.
And the Bhanumati and Ramakrishna movie AHA platform lo release ayindi kabatti eppudaina meeku edana Allu Arjun garni kalpe chance kavachchu leda Allu Arvind garni meet ayye chance valla daggara nunchi emana compliment ilati emana raavadam jarigina?
Not yet. I haven't met them yet, but probably, hopefully, we will meet soon with the response the film is getting. But I think with Allu Arvind sir, more than his biggest appreciation was to take a film like ours, like a small film with a a very unusual message. You don't see these messages, and to kind of have that faith in a young, in a new team like us was his biggest biggest compliment to us. What else can I say? I think it's the biggest compliment, and it's because of him the film has reached, where it's reached also.
Yeah. And Vaiva Harsha gartho act cheyadam ela anpinchindi, ana memories unnaya?
Oh yeah, Vaiva Harsha and me are like like take friends, and if Vaiva Harsha was to come here, I would not be sitting here. I would be running with him everywhere, because we are like those, like when Vaiva Harsha is, and we are together, we're not like this. People say you're so calm and poised, but when he comes, so he and me have a beautiful friendship, and I loved doing my scenes with him in the film, because we instantly connected, and he's just such an enduring and a sweet, lovable boy. He's just so sweet. He's such a, not a lot of people know, but he's a very sweet and an emotional person, Vaiva Harsha, and he's fun, and he's just amazing. Yeah.
So Saloni gari preference ఏంటి, సింగిల్ గా ఉండడమా or to be with someone else?
Actually being single is also very great, because it has its own lot of great advantages. And like a lot of people on my Instagram now, because I used to be so a lot of people are messaging me on Instagram. They're like, you're so good. What is the status of yours means? I've written on my Instagram profile, the pleasure of dating yourself. So all these boys are like, what do you mean by that? I was like, because so I don't need to depend on a guy to go on a date. I can go on a date on my own and enjoy my own company. But yes, I will at the same time not say that it's really beautiful to have a particular person. It's very beautiful to be able to share your life, or not your life, or your feelings, or your emotions. I think we are all those kind of people. So when you find that right person, you should value that, like that, or value that relationship,
Like
and
Bhanumati.
protect it also.
Like Bhanumati.
Yes, like Bhanumati. Yes.
సో డేటింగ్ కల్చర్ మీద మీ ఒపీనియన్ ఏంటి, అండ్ మీరు ఫేస్ చేసిన ఏదైనా బెస్ట్ డేట్ ఆర్ వర్స్ట్ డేట్ ఏదైనా ఉందా?
Yeah, I think dating is a lot of fun, right? Like dating is a lot about, when you're dating, it's your also different personality comes out. Like you'll also be like, oh, I'm enjoying dressing up, or I'm getting excited to just go and have an ice cream, or I'm getting excited to just go for lunch with. Otherwise, that same restaurant would be so boring. But now suddenly that restaurant has become so exciting. So I think dating, guys who are dating, enjoy this phase of dating and enjoy it, and like kind of have fun with it, do unusual things, do more fun things. And it's beautiful to date people. It's beautiful to kind of get complimented and compliment people. So I think it's a lot of live and learn, and I think so it's nice.
సో ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా ఒక పార్టీకి వెళ్ళాలి, అందులో ఒక స్పెషల్ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ మీరు అవ్వాలి అంటే మిమ్మల్ని మీరు ఎలా ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకుంటారు? హౌ డు యూ ప్రిపేర్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ టు బికమ్ ఎ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ ఇన్ యువర్ పార్టీ?
Oh, I don't prepare myself at all. I just go, and I mean, I think it's you should never want to be the center of attention at a party. It should just I think it's a natural thing, if you're there, and if people like your energy and want to it just happens organically. So but like if I'm comfortable with the people around, then I'll be like, I'll be my like best crazy happy version, which people have not seen. Of course, with Bhanumati and Ramakrishna, everybody sees me very strict and very serious, which I am when it comes to my work. But when I'm not in working hours, I'm a very different person. So I think and it's also fun to be the center of attention at a party, or because you have so many people, you can make so many people laugh. I think the idea of being a center of attention at a party should that you should be able to make people laugh. When they go back home, they should feel good to have met you. So I think I like to I like to spread that. I like to make people feel good about themselves, and at the same time I love people. I like meeting people, and I like interacting with people. Yeah.
తెలుగులో ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో మీరు చూసిన మంచి మూవీ ఏది, మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన మూవీ?
I have not seen honestly that many films yet, but I really I'm again coming to Arjun Reddy. I really liked Arjun Reddy because like Bhanumati and Ramakrishna, there was a lot of time given to character establishment. And that stood out for me in Arjun Reddy also. There was a lot of time given, like for Vijay Deverakonda's portrayal, and for the heroine's portrayal. So you felt that, oh, I know this guy. I know why he's feeling these things. Same thing with Bhanumati and Ramakrishna. Like you connect with it. Like while I was doing it, I could connect like that. There's so many girls and boys. Like we connect with both the characters, because we don't feel you are portraying. We feel it's me in your shoes. So I will come back to Arjun Reddy, because for me, when I see of course there are a lot of films which are commercial films, but I'm also not a very big movie watcher. Considering in the field, I'm probably lot of people know this. It might not come across correct, but I don't watch a lot of content. But I like to be organic. I don't like to get influenced, so I kind of try to be organic. But I like to watch beautiful stories. So Arjun Reddy was piece of craft for me, and I had gone with Naveen only.
Okay.
Yeah, so when we were shooting, so he had told me, "Come, I'll take you for a film," and I was like, "No, me, mujhe ye commercial, you know, I'm really concentrating," and I was really like, because Bhanumati is a very serious role, you know, so I was like really like, no, I used to like not talk to anybody, and they're like, no, I'll give you a nice break, come and you'll be really like happy watching the movie. And I told Naveen, I remember telling Naveen, I said, you know what really stood out for me in this film was the time that they've given and the real portrayal of emotion, which you see very rarely in cinema. Even his lows, you know, they've not tried to gloss anything. Same thing like Bhanumati and Ramakrishna, we kept it intentional. That was one of my main reasons for doing Bhanumati and Ramakrishna. Also, I asked Shrikant that, you know, we are dealing with a very serious subject. You know, it's of course we are taking it in a very light-hearted way, but it's very sensitive to certain, you know, to girls. How real are we going to make it? He's like, we are going to make it very realistic, and you know, he gave me a lot of freedom as an artist. He gave me a lot of freedom as an actor, which was very nice. You know, like how would you want to do it? How do you want to portray it? And even if you see the movie in Bhanumati and Ramakrishna, there are most of the film is non-glossy. So I'm my natural self. If what I'm feeling or how I sleep and get up, it is like that only. You know, we have not put any makeup or we've not done all those things, and we've also kind of just let the emotions talk.
So ఏమైనా ఇంకా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కమిట్ అయ్యారా తెలుగులో?
Yes, it's been really great, and really I'm so thankful that I've got like the day the movie released and the next day I think the whole team, not only just me, we've got like a lot of offers that are coming our way, and Bhanumati I'm really happy that it has stood out for people. And now, yes, I'm in talks with people, and I think hopefully we will, as a team, we will announce it. Let it come from the production house, and we will make an announcement soon.
సో సూన్ అయితే ఇంకా
Yes.
చాలా మంచి తెలుగు సినిమాలో
Yes.
సరోని గారిని చూడబోతున్నాం.
Yes, definitely, because of all the love that I've received, and also I like Telugu a lot as a language. You know, and
ఎన్ని క్లాసెస్ కూడా
I'm learning.
నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను.
Classes. I'm learning how to read and write also. I was like, I don't only want to learn how to. I love the way it's written. So I'm properly going through training to read and write, so that I can, you know, even you know, contribute to the language in some way.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, Saloni garu, for your time, and we wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It was a pleasure. Thank you.